Rossy Tuffy survival rifle shotgun. We use 45 Colt, 45 long Colt, and 410 3-inch shot shell, slacks and whatever. They come with two chokes, with the shot chokes and rifle bullet chokes, but I couldn't remove chokes, so I used the one for both, and it's good for me. It's kind of plastic, this and that, and nothing special, but hey, it's very handy shotgun rifle. It's single shot, break open, tons of safety. I put some, it comes with the Picatinny rail and rear and front sides. I put some red dot. I put some extra shells on the shot on the side, and wherever I walking around the bush, I just have a on me. So light and accurate. Only too short, so I add little bit extension from my old Beretta shotgun, and I kind of fit. So Beretta, Rossy.